Kumagana. Ebe ọbụla zara aza na ahụ gị tenye okumagana ọ ga-agbasa ozugbo. Ọ na-amị gị amị n'ọkpụkpụ tenye okumagana. Ọmụ ladies, nwoke Ghana, anyị na ebe a taa.
My madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my channel guys. So my fellow subscribers, you're welcome. And if you are seeing this pretty face for the first time, you're welcome. This is Kasia Kona and welcome back to my channel guys. So guys, as you can see from the title of today's video, we are traveling again. Where are we traveling to? I won't tell you guys yet. I'm not disclosing my destination to you guys until we get there as usual. So guys, this time around I'm traveling, but I'm traveling without my baby. I'm traveling without Jasper and anyways, I won't tell you guys what I'm going for until I get there. Understand? And I'm so emotional right now because it's the first time I'll be leaving him to travel. Like I do travel with him whenever I'm traveling, but this is the first time I'm leaving him, and I don't know, I'll miss him so much, so much. Like the first time in 2.5 years I gave birth to him. So guys, it's time for us to start packing. Although it's I'm not traveling today, I'm traveling in next 2 days. Today is Monday, and I know that before you guys will get this particular video to be after a month after I have traveled, because I still have some content I shoot in Abia State. So I shot in Abia State. That was when I traveled last time. I just got back very 2 weeks. I came back to Enugu, so I'm traveling again, and those content are still there. So I have to like edit and post them. So before you're getting this particular content, it should be a month or 3 weeks after I might have traveled. So this is my usual travel bag box. I'm really clean it up. So I'll start packing. Although I'm not traveling today, I'm traveling on Wednesday. Today is Monday, so I still have to go see what I can do to this hair. If I should just braid it, or I will just do a cornrow like this and go with my wig. For now, I don't know. So guys, that is it. I just feel that you know, ever since I gave birth to Jasper, I've just been so stuck up with mom's duty, and I've not been able to like travel. Like before I gave it, like I always say, before I gave it to Jasper, I used to travel. People know me very well that I used to travel. I'm a traveler. I don't stay one place for like 2 months. But after I gave it, I have to just pause that part of my life and start taking care of Jasper. It's time for me to get back to what I love to do. Don't get me wrong, I love being a mom. I love everything. I love being a mom. I love Jasper so much, but I have to work. Okay, I have to work. Time not they wait for any man. So guys, enough of my ranting and my talking. Let's start packing.
By your side. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's bothering me, it's bothering me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's bothering me, it's bothering me. When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life, I know what I...
So I'm dressed up already. I'll head to the park soon. I'm already dressed. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. See, just like I did crying and he's already listening. Show you guys my outfits. I'm wearing this polo here, my favorite trouser, and of course my shoe. So that is what I'm wearing. I'm heading to the park. I'm already missing Jasper already. I'm missing him already. Jasper, say hi. See, I'll see you guys in months time. Don't tell them how many months they'll miss you. So guys, that is it. I'll head to the park. I will say hi to you guys before we head to our destination. Okay? So guys, we just entered the bus right now. So I'm sweating. Story for another day. When I get to where I will give you guys the full gist of what happened to me. But for now, let's just relax.
Yes, fried rice.
Okay?
Fried rice.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's bothering me, it's bothering me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's bothering me, it's bothering me. When you crushing on my dreams and you're making me so cool. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so fool. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Guys, I just arrived to my destination. Where are we? We are in we are in Owerri, guys. No need to whisper. We are in Owerri, and I'm here for a boot camp that will last for 3 months. And guys, I'm really missing Jasper. He have been calling and crying. Like, I'm so emotional right now. But as usual, let me end this video here. Let me show you guys a quick tour of where I'm staying, or I'll be calling home for the next 3 months. Okay, let me show you guys. The room. You walk from this side. It's a camp, guys. So we have 6 bunk beds, 3 bunk beds up and down. That is 6 beds. We have wardrobe here, each 2 here for this bed, this bunk bed. Ow, I'm almost falling. This is Daniela in her own bed. 2 bed here. This is 2 wardrobe for the 2 bed here also. And this one, this bed here. This is the wardrobe. And I'm occupying this particular wardrobe. So guys, I like it. I think I like it. It's okay for a camp. I think it's okay. Put your shoe this place. Here, put your bag. And here you can hang your clothes here. I think it's okay. It's not too basic. It's okay. Like, when I heard that we are going to be, I was thinking that it would be one of the worst places, but okay. This is the bathroom, and this is me. Hi. This is the bathroom here, guys. Oh, a lot of cobwebs. We have to clean it up. The cleaners didn't clean it up, so this is the toilet, the mop and buckets. So we'll be 6. We are 6 people in this room. So we are 6. We'll be sharing this bathroom. So 6 people to 1 bedroom. They have plenty rooms here. This is like room number 6, I guess. They have other rooms here that people will be occupying also. And this is the table where we can stay to have study or have our lunch or dinner. So that is pretty much it, guys, for it. This is where I will stay for. I'll be calling home for the next 3 months till I go back to Enugu State, and I will show you guys from tomorrow. I'll record and show you guys what I came here for. But for now, I'll end this video here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.